Welcome back to another episode of Curios for the Curious. Today we're looking at a glass paperweight, uh, roughly spherical in design with a flat bottom. I'm going to take a quick measurement of it right now. It's approximately 3.5 inches in diameter. Again, as I said, flat bottom with a little bit of a recess area. I also noticed this a few minutes ago. There's some sort of piece of tape sticker here, and it is a, you can see that, it is a hand icon kind of pointing this way holding a brush. See if we can get that to show. Yeah, I'll give it another second there. There you can see the hand. And then this peeled section here is right underneath my fingernail is the brush. Not sure what that means. If we look a little bit deeper into the spherical shape, you can see that this was formed with these bubbles all throughout the object itself. And kind of, some of them actually line up, so it kind of does look like some sort of effervescent pattern. So very natural from all angles, and due to the optical properties of glass and in this particular shape, these bubbles probably aren't that big, but they do look a lot larger due to the curved surface providing the optical effect. Now, as I look through the camera versus what I'm seeing here, what may not translate through the lens is the actual true color of this globe type object. It it looks brighter green here than it is in person. So imagine something more of an emerald, dark emerald green, as opposed to this more garnet color. But this still does look nice to the camera as well. But what I wanted to do is actually kind of dim the lights and use a ultraviolet or UV light on it to see the different color effect change for this type of glass and whatever pigmentation was added to get this green coloration in here. So I'm going to start switching off some lights. Okay, main light's going to go off, and ultraviolet light comes on. Don't look directly in there. Now if I shine it directly on it, it looks very bland, and actually looks like the light is kind of not really going anywhere inside the shape, but that's due to the property and the kind of the uh, wave frequency dispersion effect of the globe. But if I shine it through the bottom portion, which is flat, the ultraviolet rays, per se, have a direct path through the object. And you can see here it is lighting it up. Now again, the color I'm seeing through the camera versus what I'm seeing here, I'm seeing now an almost aqua color through the lens, but I'm not sure if that's translating through correctly through the camera. I'm trying to give it a few focus nudges here, but I don't think it's going to cooperate with us. But you can see kind of a neat effect here. In a way, you can sort of see the blue effect on my fingers as it shines through, and some of the lights bending through the spherical object itself. But let's see if I can get it to show it as more blue. But unfortunately, the camera thinks it's bright green. So let's switch the lights back on so we can finish our little video here. Alright, so that does look a little bit darker green now, but nowhere near what I'm seeing. Maybe if I can change the angle. Oh, we had something for a second there that looked darker. But let's take a quick look at a glass paperweight. Due to the lack of seams, I assume this is probably blown glass and then separated from the, I guess, main attachment rod that they use to hold the object. And then the flat surface was then kind of formed into there, as well as during the formation process these tiny bubbles were introduced as well. So I thought that was kind of interesting to look at. It's been another episode of Curios for the Curious. Feel free to check out other episodes in the series on artsy type objects. We also do unboxing videos as well as show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and expanded topics, as well as a selection of book review media reviews. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.